Create a textured French twist on short hair using sturdy hairpins from Good Hair Days. Preparation is key to creating a secure French twist on short hair. Add depth and dimension to the hair by introducing some curls or waves. Then apply a texturizing product such as a volumizing powder, sea salt spray, or a lightweight workable hairspray. Gather the hair into a low ponytail, ensuring to capture the shorter nape layer of hair and as many layers as possible. Then fold the hair over to one side and twist up, tucking the ends into the top and the side of the twist, and hold into place. Insert the legs of the hairpin into the bottom edge of the twist, catching as much hair as possible from the twist. Flip the pin, catching some of the scalp hair, and gently push the pin into the twist. Continue holding into place and insert the legs of the second pin into the top corner of the twist, catching as much of the twisted hair as possible. Flip, catching some of the scalp hair, and insert the legs of this pin downwards at an angle to intersect with the legs of the first pin to lock all of the hair into place. You can also finish with some more hairspray and secure any smaller sections of hair with magic grip hairpins. Don't let short hair stop you from creating stunning updos. With the right preparation, tools, and techniques, everyone can enjoy a classic French twist hairstyle. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.